Msgr, let's talk about the prep today, because you look at the prep today, enrollment is at an all-time high. There's no debt. 100% of the students are furthering their education once they leave these doors. Give me your assessment of where Seton Hall Prep is today.
Well, I think we're in a great position. As you mentioned, we have no debt right now. We've never borrowed a penny at all. We've always worked hard and fundraised, and we've never borrowed a penny in any of the moves that we made, which is a key factor. Our board was always very strong and mindful of the fact that we don't want to ever go into debt. And they would always say, if you want something, if you want a new field, if you want a new lab or whatever it might be, a new library, then raise the money, come up with the money, and then we'll give the approval for it. So, that's key, to have no debt. The endowment went from zero to about $25 billion now, which is a great plus, so that we can use the earnings from the endowment for financial aid and to help students in need come to the school, keep it a nice mix of students at the school. And academically, again, I feel we're right on top of everything and have a great academic program going in all areas. So what more can we ask for? The students, the families are happy to look into our school, to come to study here, and fortunately the numbers show for themselves, and we have great numbers, and we have a waiting list, in fact. So we hate to turn students down, but we just have to be selective because we can only handle so many. We're at maximum now, about 970 students, and that's all that we can handle, and that's all that we have space for here as far as lockers go, and gym space and cafeteria space, dining hall space. So we're in a very good posture position right now for the school.
But if I know you even a little bit, I know you're not satisfied with status quo. You're always looking, whether it's personally or with the prep, to improve. Where can we get better? So if you look, say, 5, 10 years down the road, what do you see for Seton Hall Prep?
Well, I see the school just getting better and better. I'm very thrilled with our faculty, with our leadership at the school. Mike Gallo, who is the headmaster at the school now, is doing a tremendous job. And I have a lot of faith and trust in Mike that he will continue everything going at the school. And he is always looking to improve. He's made adjustments already as far as improvements at the school. And so I have confidence that that's always going to be the case. You can always get better, yes. And we always strive to be better and be on top and be the best available for the future students. So I would never give up or think that we've done it all or we have to sit back. No, we don't. We want to move ahead, and just like you take Coca-Cola or something, or a big company that's doing well, they don't stop advertising and promoting the school, and that we are going to continue to do with really by the way we perform and how we perform. Let them see it. We don't have to talk about it. We can show them. They can come and see what's going on and see it is the best around and the best opportunity for them to take advantage of in the future.
So if you had some advice to give Mike Gallo, kind of like when you were a young headmaster at the prep, what would you tell him about keeping this place special and making it even better?
Well, again, I have such great confidence in Mike. He's done the research. He knows what's going on in the field of education. He loves students. He works hard with students and develops students. And I think that's the key, that the faculty and the administration have to be concerned about the students and appreciate their needs and their wants. And Mike does that. I think he looks at the school as students come first, and that has always been the case, but that is further emphasized by the work that Mike does. So I'm very confident that he will continue that, and that the school will grow because of the concern which not only Mike but all the administration shows towards the needs of the students. He interviews students, all the seniors. He gets to know them personally, so that when he hands them their diploma, he knows them. He knows what their family background is and what their needs are. So he has learned about the students. He knows them, and he can greet them at graduation in that way.
So for you personally, I mean, you came here as a young man. You've pretty much dedicated your adult life, most of it anyway, to Seton Hall Prep and the work and service you've given the school. It's a big question, I know, Monsignor, but what are you most proud of in your association with Seton Hall Prep?